In this short tutorial, I will show you how to see everyone you have unfriended on Facebook. It's common for people to unfriend others on social media, but sometimes we want to look back and see who we have removed from our friends list. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your name at the top. Once you are on your Facebook profile, tap on these three little dots next to the Edit Profile button. And then tap Activity Log. And then scroll down a bit and tap Connections. And then tap over here. It will show you these options. Simply tap Removed Friends. Now it will show you all the friends that you've unfriended on Facebook, sorted by date. This is a quick and easy way to see everyone you have unfriended on Facebook, as it shows you the exact date you've unfriended them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.